guys, Wire here. I'm going to do something a little bit different this week. One of my buddies up at the flea market gave me something that they'd like to see restored. So this is what we're going to restore today. It's an old vintage jawbreaker machine. And it's called a jaw teaser. He lost the key to it. I had to pick the lock, and we made a key for it. And it seems to be working pretty good. So what I'm going to do is restore this, clean it up, maybe repaint this, and put a new label on it. Anyway, fellas, let's get this all taken apart and see what it's made out of. This is pretty rusty. We're going to clean it up with the pink stuff. And any oil we use, I'm going to be using vegetable oil on it. Out. Looks like the spring broke on this, so we're going to take this all apart and we're going to clean it up. I think we're going to do this one step at a time. What I want to do is let's get these all apart, and then we'll take this apart. Be right back. Okay guys, I got some of this part soaking in the degreaser here. And I actually want to put all the parts in here, minus the key. And then I'm going to take the pink stuff. Believe me guys, I'm going to use this for everything. And let's take this plate here. This is getting that rust off. Unbelievable. I did try this on my pots and it did work pretty good on the bottom of the pots. So we're going to get this rust off, and then we're going to use the fiber wheel, polish it up a little bit, give it a nice thin coating of vegetable oil. And when I cleaned the top, the plexiglass did fog up a little bit, but I did use some plastics on it, and it seemed to open it up a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit more on it. It does have a couple of bends in this. I'm going to straighten it out. Look at that, that stuff worked really good. Let's do this other side a little more. Get that all cleaned up. Yeah. Let me straighten this up a little bit and put it on a fiber wheel and I'll bring you back. Okay guys, check that out. That turned out really, really well. I think it's supposed to be bent in the corners here. Anyway, let me get a shop towel here and have a little bit of vegetable oil here. I'm just going to coat this with vegetable oil. I'm going to let it sit and then I'm going to wipe it off real good. I want this oil to soak in the metal as much as it can. Keep it from rusting. We'll set this over here. And the next thing, the release. Okay, let's try to get this apart. There's a little snap ring in here. It's kind of holding it together. Pennies in there. Let's see if we can get these feet off of here. see if we can get this mechanism off. For as old as this is, would you believe that these screws are metric? Okay, we got the screws out. I'll take this off. Save that for another time. I want to take this, as you can see, this is broke up here. So let me take this apart. I don't think that's coming out. Okay, we got that pin out. See how easy that is to come off. Obviously, it's not that easy to come off. So maybe we're going to have to bang this out too. The only thing I can't get out is this here. don't know, we can try. Let's put this back on the vise. Let me see if I can knock this out. I'm going to do this off camera. Okay, we got a part. This is all taken apart. I'm going to have to get in there and clean that out with a wire wheel or something. Looks pretty nice. So what we're going to do is work on this, get this all taken care of, and then we'll work on the base of it. So let's stick this in here. I guess stick that in there. This doesn't really have to be cleaned that good, but I like to get all the grease off of it. We might do this two colors. I'm not sure yet. I'm pretty sure the wire wheel can knock a lot of this off. So that's it. We may have to take a little bit of paint stripper for this. Usually the degreaser will take the paint off. Okay, let's let that sit. And then we'll be back. Well guys, this is the end of part one. I was hoping to do it in all one video, but I don't like making my videos too long. Besides, I'm waiting for some label paper to come in so I can make a new label for this. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys either later on this week or first thing next week, depending on how fast this label paper gets in. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. This is Wire.